Hi guys, welcome to Crazy Kalakars Atta, and today we have got something very interesting, something very unique, rather something very hatke, which is going to make you say, "Oh wow, ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था." In this video, we are going to talk about Sushrut, also known as Sushruta. He was the father of medical science, also the father of plastic surgery. Also, do you know that medical science was invented in India? Very interesting, right? So why wait? Let's go ahead and get to know the details.
Hey friends, do you know? Plastic surgery was invented 2000 years ago. Isn't that amazing? Yes, this was invented in India by Rishi Sushruta in 600 BC. The real meaning of Sushruta is Sush is equal to well and Shruta is equal to heard of. So he was the person who is well known and knowledgeable. Do you even know that rhinoplasty, which is also called as the nose job, the C-section, that is the cesarean section, and even brain surgery operations were conducted and invented by Sushruta? He was the ultimate guru of Ayurvedic science.
Let me tell you something about rhinoplasty technique. Sushrut invented this unique technique to get the flap, which is both mass and skin, from the cheeks. This was a planning in reverse technique, which means he took an accurate flap for the surgery and he used to do this with the help of leaves and making accurate position on the nose for the operation to recover damaged part. Sushrut believed in sense of beauty, so worked on all such techniques. He invented and used 121 equipments for performing surgeries, 20 sharp tools and 101 blunt tools. Most of them made from metals, wood and horns. The tools were inspired by nature. All the tools are alike the animals, like bone cutters, cataract knives, cat's paw, bird forceps, which are still used in performing operations.
Can you imagine how he used to perform such tedious surgeries in those olden days? Well, Sushruta used to practice with his students on fruits and vegetables like the watermelon and perform surgical insertions on it. Do you know Sushruta invented the way for anesthesia for patients to avoid heavy pain? We are all aware about the modern day anesthesia, but in those days he used a mixture of alcohol and Ayurveda medicines with usage of different leaves to give anesthesia. What a great technique! Do you even know? He used to learn and teach his students medical science by taking dead bodies from the crematorium, that is from the Kashi Ghat. He used to perform dissection on dead bodies. He was so bold that he went against the society because dissection of dead bodies was known as a sin and evil.
He didn't believe in caste discrimination, himself being a Brahmin. He passed on his knowledge to everyone. He himself learnt making metal tools from craftsmen. Do you know? He also majored in skin grafting and cataract surgery. After this, he wrote a book on surgery called as Sushrut Samhita. It is a compilation of his own wisdom. The book consists of details about the 121 equipments, 30 major surgery procedures, etiology of more than 1100 diseases with the usage of plants, animals and minerals. This book was a revolution and went across the globe and majorly impacted the European doctors and surgeons.
What are the other contributions of Sushruta? Besides trauma involving general surgery, Sushruta gave an in-depth account of the treatment of 12 varieties of fracture and 6 types of dislocation. This continues to spellbind orthopedic surgeons even today. He mentioned the principles of traction, manipulation, apposition, stabilization, and post-operative physiotherapy. Sushruta also prescribed measures to induce growth of lost hair and removal of unwanted hair. He implored surgeons to achieve perfect healing, which is characterized by the absence of any elevation, induration, swelling mass, and the return of normal coloring.
Due to stringent society laws, people ignored his knowledge. However, in the 18th century, during the war of Tipu Sultan with the British, his surgery techniques were revealed. Soldiers were injured in this battle, and one of the surgeons from the village performed a successful nose surgery on a soldier in presence of the British officers. In 1794, the techniques were written in the Gentleman's Magazine by British, and thus came in front of the whole world. Everyone started using his surgery techniques, and he became the father of plastic surgery.
What an amazing human being with immense knowledge.
Thank you guys for watching our video. We hope that you thoroughly enjoyed it. Every week we are going to come up with such interesting videos. So do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.